Good morning, traders. This is Marco. We have the 5th of December. It's Monday morning. A new trading week is starting, and I want to give you a short weekly preview about important dates and in general price action. As you can see right now here in front of you, this is the ES daily chart. So one candle equals 1 day of price action. And you can see we are pretty much in a huge downtrend that started around January this year. From this high, we had a touch here, and now it's getting very interesting because a couple of days ago, we were approaching this trend line here from the downtrend channel, and you can see how prices respected this channel and bounced off it. You can see direction here directly at the price channel. And we saw a reaction to the downside, but prices came back up again and now bouncing off this resistance here, going back inside this range. If you take the shorter term price action, you can see this yellow range here. Prices were trending within this range. And we had a failed breakout here and now approaching back inside the range. As you know from my previous videos and from price action rules, most breakouts fail. So here we had the breakout and prices are coming back inside the range now. Also, you can see the shorter term uptrend channel here in green trending higher. I found this channel on Friday. This channel here is still intact, and we have a very interesting situation here because we have a bigger and long-term down structure, which is now playing against this shorter-term green uptrend channel. And it's very interesting which structure will play out first. For now, I can say that prices bounced off this downtrend, and this breakout out of the range failed, so prices are coming back inside the range. But it will be interesting to see direction of prices when we are closer to the midline of this range and the support of the shorter term uptrend channel. Then I also want to show you some important dates this week. We have today, Monday the 5th, is the ISM Services PME, and a very important measurement for inflation on Friday this week. We have the core PPI and PPI, and the Fed is always taking these measurements to decide if there are further rate hikes or increases, or if there will be a pivot. And as you know from last week, Powell said that there is a potential that from December they will not increase the rates further. So there's a chance that we will see only a 0.5 rate hike. So watch out for this two news events today at 10 a.m. So it's pretty much 3 hours from now, and also on Friday a bit earlier, the core PPI. Going back to price action, it will be very interesting to see what prices are doing. So far, we can see prices bouncing off this level here and trending down today, coming back inside this range. So watch out for price action. It can be very choppy this week. Prices can trend higher or even lower. Everything is pretty much possible. For the shorter term price action, I would say we're coming back inside the range and maybe testing the midline or the price channel here. And from there, we have to wait and see price reaction. If we can break the channel, then there is a potential that we'd see like a break within 2 legs and retest of the highs, which would also mean a break of this downtrend structure here. Okay, so that's it for now. I hope you have some idea what could happen this week. You know the important price levels here. watch out for this price channel, watch out for the range, watch out for the midline, and also take in consideration this uptrend here. So yeah, I wish you a great trading week and see you on Friday.